Welcome to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The United Nations developed directly from discussions among the Allies during World War II. Even before the United States entered the war, President Franklin D. Roosevelt was encouraging the State Department to think about the relationships among nations after the war. Although the Allied leaders agreed in principle on the need for an international organization to prevent future aggression, Roosevelt was the most vigorous supporter of the idea. Roosevelt died before the founding conference of the United Nations in San Francisco. Harry Truman, who succeeded Roosevelt, gave his first major speech as president at the signing of the UN Charter on June 26, 1945. The following month, the U.S. Senate approved the charter by a vote of 89-2. The General Assembly chose the United States as the site for the permanent headquarters of the United Nations. It accepted a gift from John D. Rockefeller Jr. to buy a tract of land on the East River in New York City, where the United Nations building now stands. That's all for today's podcast. The show's theme song is Complacent by Cheryl B. Engelhardt. You can find Cheryl online at cbemusic.com. 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.